How to fix WhatsApp music status not working. Now, if you're encountering this kind of issue, here are three things that you can do for you to be able to fix this issue. The first is to make sure that the WhatsApp application you're using is updated to its latest version. Head out into Google Play Store or wherever you download WhatsApp Messenger to, and make sure that the update button is not visible here. If it is, just simply tap on that, and then your WhatsApp will instantly update to its latest version. Now, the second resolution is to head out into your WhatsApp logo, tap and hold in it, and hit on the I information, which will redirect you into app info. From here, scroll down and then head into storage, and then you just have to do the clear data and the clear cache as well. Now, if it still does not working, your last resort is to contact the WhatsApp support. Simply open up your WhatsApp application without logging in. You can go ahead and coordinate with one of their customer service. Just head straight into the three dots at the top right and choose on help. From here, you just need to fill out this form that choose the country where you're from, and then input the phone number that you use on your WhatsApp account. And hit on next, and then just tell them that your WhatsApp story music is not working. So those are the basic troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix WhatsApp music status not working.